Today, you've seen Halloween on Marilyn before, but not like this. Some of your favorite faces are getting spookified, and not even Marilyn knows what they're dressing up as. First, Peter Claw Papetru is transforming some of this year's unforgettable moments into a pop culture costume show. Then, two different takes on Halloween looks. Scarin' O'Brien and Chris Scream Cho team up to help you nail your costume this year. Plus, there's Sentner shivers down your spine. Sebastian and Sheila help you set the table for one incredible dinner party of doom. And the J.S. Spell Varaju is whipping up some sneaky snacks perfect for the big day. It all starts right now. You've heard about arachnophobia. What about marachnophobia? Here's Marilyn.
Hello! Welcome to my backyard lair! This is the Wicked Web Bash. Welcome, everyone! How about that? Hey, thanks to the World Wide Web, we can connect with our virtual party goers from coast to coast. Hi, everybody! Wow, look at those costumes. My gosh, that's awesome. All right. One of you is going to win an award for best costume at the end of the show. So let's hear it for all of you dressing up today for our big bash. Woo! Okay, it's very nice to be with you today. Now, you know Halloween's really important on the Marilyn Denis Show. We wouldn't miss it. No, it's tradition. And by the way, today, it's going to be very interesting because I don't even know what our experts are dressed as, nor do you. So this is going to be a big surprise to everybody. So we'll be right back.
Up next, there's Sentner shivers down your spine. Sebastian and Sheila help you set the table for one unforgettable dinner party of doom. Keep hanging around.
Hey, welcome back to our Wicked Web Bash. Please welcome our next guest experts, good friends of mine. Reveal yourselves, party planners Sebastian and Sheila Sentner. Oh, hello. Hi, you guys. How are you?
Good. How are you? Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. You guys look great. Tell us about your costumes.
Thank you. Well, Marilyn, we are actually dressed up as ourselves. This is what we would look like if we didn't make it to our wedding 25 years ago.
Oh my gosh, you're kidding.
So we're doing a dinner of the dead, or a dead dinner, and this is what it would look like at our wedding party if we had had an accident on the way to the altar.
Oh my God, that's macabre. Okay, that is macabre. All right, you both look great, by the way. Tell us about your overall decor theme.
Thank you.
Well, as you know, Marilyn, we usually like to make a big deal of Halloween and throw a big bash, and we just can't do that this year. Yeah. So we thought we'd make it a little bit more intimate, and you know, it suits the dead groom and bride perfectly to have a little bit of a wedding party. But this is a dead wedding party, very macabre, very dark, and we did this amazing backdrop, so we really set the tone for something intimate and spooky.
So welcome to our dead dinner party, Marilyn.
I love it. It's so macabre. Now, a scene fit for a good scare. Turns out I'm not the only one who can sneak up out of nowhere. Take a look at this.
Gaurav from Marilyn Denis Show has got me spooking Sheila. This is my marriage. Gaurav, this is why you are moving in with you. I really hope she's dressed.
Wow.
I'm definitely moving in with Gaurav. Sorry.
Wow, what a good sport you are, Sheila. Oh my God, that must have scared you, huh?
It certainly did, Marilyn. Yes, it did.
I'm still trying to make up for it.
It did. I guess you are. Okay, you're a good sport, Sheila. Okay, let's talk about DIYs you made to decorate this very, very scary table.
Absolutely. We put together mostly all of this decor by ourselves with easy do-it-yourself projects. All you really need is some black and gold paint and some quintessential Halloween items. We've got painted pumpkins. We have spiders around our napkin rings. We have wine bottle candelabras. And we actually also have these really fun vampire teeth name cards. We're going to finish it all off with an amazing floral arrangement, which is so spooky and creepy. I'm actually in love with this. What we did was we got a skull from the dollar store, hollowed it out, it's styrofoam, and simply went to our local florist, got some florals, and inserted them into the skull. And it's spooky and creative.
Oh, I love it. It's creepy and scary. Let's talk about the food.
Yes.
So for the food, we wanted to keep in the same tone, so we did a couple of things. First of all, we did this beautiful tiered fruit and cheese tray. So we used, like, you know, black grapes, and we used blackberries. We used a little bit of pomegranate, figs, all things that we really would enjoy. So we can little nibble on that, the two of us. And then we did something really, really pretty. We did a radicchio salad, so purple lettuce salad. It's done with a balsamic glaze. Really, really simple. But the best part about this one is Sheila's going to show you how we serve it.
Okay, show.
Super easy. Welcome. Look at our salad tongs.
So we just took those off of a costume. There you go.
So it's so easy to add
I
Halloween
love
elements to every course.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Oh, that's the best. Now, I know there's a party cocktail. Am I right?
Marilyn, of course. Would there be a party without a party cocktail at our house?
No, never.
So what we have is, we created a drink called the Grim Reaper. Perfectly suited to this dinner party. I'm starting out with a little bit of muddled blackberry and cinnamon, fresh cinnamon. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some simple syrup, which is basically sugar water. I'm going to add a little bit of grenadine. And of course, the whole recipe, you can find it at marilyn.ca. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of ice. Okay. I'm going to take an orange peel, and I'm actually going to put it around the edge, just like this. And then I'm going to drop it inside. It gives it a bit of a citrus flavor. I'll do that for both glasses. And then we're going to add, of course, a little bit of vodka. 2 ounces to be precise.
Wow, that's all right. I don't need 2 ounces of vodka.
There we go. We'll put a little bit of extra in my brides. Doing a dash, just a dash of bitters. And finally, we're going to top it with a little bit of soda water. And I'm going to use a piece of rosemary right inside for decor and a straw, because we don't want to mess up our makeup. I'm going to give it a little stir like this. And that's for Sheila.
That looks fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome. And this is for me. And these are our Grim Reaper cocktails celebrating our dinner party of the dead, or dead dinner party. Cheers, Sheila. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, you two. Thank you so much, Sebastian and Sheila Santner. We have to take a break. Our Wicked Web Bash continues when we come back. Stay with us. Woo! All right. I want to thank all my experts for having fun with us today. Thank you so much. You're all so great to have on the show. Happy Halloween, everybody.